So it's lovely to be here in Karachi at IBA, and kudos to IBA for initiating this dialogue, which is essentially brainstorming at the moment about the structure of undergrad education and looking at some very specific issues that I think need a lot more debate and discussion and airing out in terms of how should we think about education at the undergrad level. What is it for? Is it some specialization that we want to give? What's the balance between learning and skills that we want to give? What's the balance in disciplinary specialization that we want to do? And then think about how do we create cross-disciplinarity? How do we create a matrix for the kind of general skills and then subject-specific skills that go into any undergrad education? What is it that we want our students to know at the end of 4 years that will allow them not just good careers and options in terms of what they can do, but also in terms of citizenship, in terms of being members of a democratic society, getting involved with community, having a very strong sense of who they are, what are their values that they want to live with, and what are the values that they want to project, etc. So those are very deep discussions that IBA has opened up through this workshop, and I hope that it will continue to go deeper, and we'll have many more sessions over the next few months so that we can dig down into each one of those issues that were mentioned and can do some real work that can then be brought to every university who might be interested in such an issue in Pakistan. Thank you very much.